Kelly, as of last check, they still haven't seated a single juror. Why do you think that is? We're on day 3, and is this unusual?
No, it's a process where the judge asks them questions, and it's important to remember that they need to be fair and impartial. If someone's already made up their mind and can't listen to the facts and the evidence, then they can be excused. Now, also, the plaintiff's counsel and defense counsel can strike someone. They have strikes that they could do, so they could potentially do that today.
It strikes me that it seemed jury selection moved more quickly in Donald Trump's trial than it is here. And yet we're hearing this judge say he anticipates potentially opening statements as soon as mid-morning, that they'll be able to seat a jury by then. Does that seem like that could be realistic?
Yes, get the 12 people and the 6 alternates, and then the state will open up with their arguments and bring their case as well. And then the defense will bring their arguments as well. And as pointed out, the defense's key thing that they're going to do is show that he did not have intent. Intent is key in these type of cases, right? Did he have the intent to conspire with these other people? And did he have knowledge of this? And also one of the defenses is that he didn't know what was going on, that it had to do with his wife. And we have to remember, this is a salacious story, right? He's been indicted. And what that means is that a juror, based on the facts and evidence presented, believe that he should be charged with serious crimes. But you're innocent in the court of law until you're proven guilty.
You're right. That indictment came from a grand jury that indicted him, people who were already his peers. But the gold bars, the cash, the Mercedes, just how damning is the evidence?
That's pretty strong evidence, but we haven't heard his side of the story. And what's going to be key is he going to take the witness stand? Now, ultimately, the attorney can advise him and say, we don't think you should take the witness stand. We think you should take the witness stand. But potentially, it's going to be up to him. It's his going to make that determination if he wants to sit and tell his side of the story. And it appears that he might do that.
It comes, of course, as we're all focused on this other high-profile trial happening just across the street, essentially that of Donald Trump. Does that have any impact on the Menendez case at all, other than maybe it getting less attention than it would otherwise?
It shouldn't, right? You go in, the jury selection should be the same. They should be fair and impartial and based on the facts and the evidence. But it's interesting that the senator has come out and said that this is a witch hunt, that I'm innocent till proven guilty, and something that we've heard in the Trump trial as well, that this is a witch hunt, that this is politically motive. Well, we'll have to see what the jury do based on the facts and evidence, and ultimately it'll be up to them.
Kelly Hyman, as always, thanks for being here. It's good to have you.